You have been studying English for years, in fact, since your childhood, but still not able to speak it fluently, right? You understand everything in English, but when it's time to speak, you get freeze, right? Now, let me be honest, fluency is not your problem. The real problem is your method. Hey English learners, welcome back to my channel Sonia English Academy, where we make English your identity as English today assures success tomorrow. So today I'll show you a very simple system to start speaking English confidently even as a beginner. First, let's break the old patterns and stop making these mistakes. Number 1. Memorizing grammar rules. Number 2. Memorizing lots of and random vocabulary in one go. Number 3. Watching YouTube videos without practice, as it won't help you. Fluency comes from one thing only, that is speaking and speaking again and again the right way and the right method. Listen carefully, you don't need perfect English. You need simple, clear and real life communication. As fluency means speaking without stopping, speaking without fear and speaking without translating in your mind. And how is it possible? I'm just showing you. Step number 1. Speak from day 1. As most of the learners wait for the day then they will be able to learn to study grammar perfectly, then they will speak. No, the day will not come. Speak today only. If you don't know grammar, if you don't know rules of the grammar, then speak. Speak broken English. Don't think about being wrong. We don't know how to frame long sentences. Speak simple sentences like I'm doing this work, I'm watching TV, I'm going to the market, I'm learning English. Simple, short and clear sentences. You are the beginner, so you have to start from the beginning, right? Speak them out loud, not only in your mind but by your mouth, as your mouth needs muscle training. Whatever the level is of your English, be with that level. Be happy with that level and start working hard with that level. Don't wait. Start from today onwards. Right? Now step number 2. Use ready-made phrases. Because if you think word by word, your English will always be slow. Because most of the learners, what they do, they learn lots of and random vocabulary in one go. But when it's time to use them, their mind gets blank. Right? Instead, use ready-made phrases. They will help you to construct long sentences, complicated sentences. For example, I don't think so. I understand. Can you repeat that? I'm about to. I'm going to. I need to. I want to. These sentences will help you to construct long sentences. As you are the beginner and you are not able to form long sentences, this addition of phrases will help you to form long sentences. As the more phrases you know, the faster you speak, right? And guys, you will get surprised to know the wonderful result of using these ready-made phrases. Number 1, they will reduce your mental pressure of forming the long sentences. Number 2, they will remove hesitation as they are pre-assembled. You don't have to work and to think much about your sentences, right? Number 3, it will improve your fluency. Number 4, it will make your conversation more natural. Number 5, it will improve accuracy and confidence, right? Now step number 3, stop translating. This is the biggest mistake we all do when we are the beginner. What we do, we think in Hindi, then we translate, then we speak. But this process takes too much time and we get lost. We lose our confidence. We just have to think what is the grammar rule, what is the sentence, what is the preposition, what is this and what is that. In that process, we get puzzled and we get stuck. We get freeze. Stop translating, start thinking in English. For example, you are doing something, whatever is being done by you, that really doesn't matter. For example, you are cooking, you are watching TV, you are playing. Simply say, don't think those things in Hindi. Simply say, I watching, I playing, I cooking. Although this sentence will be wrong in the beginning, am is missing from your sentence. It must have been, I am cooking, I am looking, I am watching. But you said, I cooking, I watching, I playing. It's completely fine. Don't think about your mistakes. Just think in English, because thinking in English matters. Your mistakes don't matter. Definitely 100% you will do mistakes in the beginning in thinking in English. But one day is not far behind. The day is not far behind, then you will be able to speak, to think direct in English. So think in English, however thinking is going on, that really doesn't matter. Think in English only, right? Now number 4, practice real life situation. What all we do when we are the beginner, we start cramming sentences, learning grammar rules and memorizing vocabulary. We study English like this, right? Wrong. This is really wrong. We have to think it as a language. This is not a subject, this is the language. This is a skill. So we have to learn it as a language, we have to learn it as a skill. We have to learn it as a real life situation. Instead of learning sentences, we study real life situations. For example, at shop. What is this? What does it cost? I just need this. Right? On phone call. Can you talk to Mr. Ravi? Can you give my message to him? And with your friend, for example, what are you doing? What's going on? Are you coming with me? What are you doing these days? What are your plans? So this is the real life situation you have to study. We all have to study the situation, the conversational grammar, not only grammar, the conversational grammar, the sentences which we use in our daily life, situations in which we have to use English, where we get stuck, we have to study them, right? This practice will connect your English with day-to-day life and you will be able to speak in such a situation properly, right? So practice one situation daily. What to speak at shop, what to speak on call, what to speak at party, what to speak at restaurant, what to speak, so many things are there. So practice real life situation, right? So guys, these were very simple but crucial steps. They helped me a lot in getting fluency. They will definitely help you also. If you will use them passionately, consistently, they will definitely help you. So guys, catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.